Hi Megan, my name's Bailey. I'm a student physical therapist. Is it okay if I work with you today? Okay, good. We're going to be doing a manual muscle test called for trunk flexion, and we're going to be testing your rectus abdominis muscle.
Okay.
If you could go ahead and lay back on the table for me, we're going to have you in supine. So what I'm going to have you do is kind of like a half curl up, like when you would do a sit-up. And so we're going to try to get your shoulders off the table. I'm going to go ahead and take you through that motion now so you know what to expect. Okay, here we go. Okay, so now I want you to try to do that on your own and have your hands out by your sides like this. Go ahead and try to lift your shoulders up off the table. So that would be a positive grade 3 for a manual muscle test, which means that she can contract and do the movement. Since she could do that, I'm going to have her try for a grade 4, which is going to be with your arms across your chest. Go ahead and do that movement for me. Okay, good. And since she could do a grade 4, we're going to go ahead and try a grade 5. So go ahead and put your hands above your head like this. Good, and go ahead and do that curl up. Perfect. So she got her shoulders up for a 5, a 4, and a 3. If she couldn't do a 3 initially, we would test for a grade 2. What I'll have you do for that is have your hands out to your side like for a grade 3. Go ahead and try to lift up off the table. So here you can see she can't get her shoulders up off the table. This would indicate a grade 2. If she couldn't do that, we would test for a grade 1. So I would feel for her rectus abdominis here. Go ahead and try to lift up off the table. So she's not getting her shoulders off the table or moving upwards, but I can feel a contraction, and that's how we know it's a grade 1. If there was no contraction, then we would label it a grade 0. And that is how you do a trunk flexion manual muscle testing.